So, ladies and gents, how is it going? Today is day 4 of our 30-day challenge of uploading 15 shorts and 15 long videos. Well, this is the 4th long one, so I am pretty happy. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about what is mental toughness and how you can get it. So the first thing, what is mental toughness, obviously, is it's not yep, there's the background voices. Are the windows closed? Is it closed? Yeah, it's closed. Oh, that's open. I'll fix that. Yep. So, a few things to be done, and now everything is soundproof. So, what is mental toughness? Well, mental toughness is not about being emotionless or alpha. You know, this generation is going crazy about, oh, I'm an alpha man, and I'm an alpha man. I'm alpha man, and I'm a lone wolf. You know, I'm this Batman, I'm Superman, I'm all alone. I have no friends, and I am yeah, you know what I'm trying to say, you know. So the thing is, from my experience, the most mental toughest guys that I have seen are usually the most emotional one. But the thing that they know how to do is anything that affects them, it affects them, and then they keep it, they close that chapter, and they move on. This is what mental toughness is, you know. Just keep moving forward. It's your ability to keep moving forward, and when everything inside you is feeling to quit, to give up, but you keep moving forward. Now that, ladies and gents, is mental toughness. Now, why do you like it? Well, sit down in a room with a pen and a paper and ask yourselves, why am I mentally weak? Well, there are usually 2 reasons. Number 1, you have trained your brain to be weak. Number 2, you think you are weak. Because the human brain, the human body, and its human stubbornness is so high that it will literally shock you. So it's usually you who trained yourself to be mentally weak, and that's why you are watching this video. Well, even if you are mentally strong, it's always good to see where you are and how you can improve that. The thing that you should do is do an identity shift. So basically, you should tell yourself that I do hard things, rather than telling yourself that no, I can't, this is not who I am, and I am this and I'm not that, and in the part of the world which I live in, there is no sun, or there is no moon, or whatever excuses you have, it's usually you. So do this thing, okay, rather than saying I can't do this, change it to I can do this, and you will see a lot of changes. So, didn't do this from a long time. Can you hear the clock? That's the clock. Okay, give me 1 second. There you go, that's the battery. Yeah, I could hear a clock ticking somewhere. I hate that clock. And So, this is how I'm dressed today. Came back from college, and I am in my blue trousers, white shirt, t-shirt, shirt, and yeah, I need to get a haircut again. So my point is, right now my videos are a bit, I'm talking more, you know, because I am not getting time to film and even when I do, I can't decide where to do it, because usually there are just too many people, and they're good people, but I can do better with my surrounding myself with more better people, because right now I'm not. Different story. The point is, I am going to work more on the way how I film, the way how I edit, and the thing is, I'm going to college for like 8ish, 9ish hours, and you need to go, come, and sit down, study, and then you need to even learn the things, prepare for your assignments and tests and all that stuff, which you guys know, how the education system is. It's not that motivating, it's not that glamorous, especially when you have chosen physical therapy. So yeah, we'll work through that, and till then, take care, and I will be doing something different tomorrow. Hopefully, yeah, I'll do something different tomorrow. So I was just editing the video, and I just wanted to end off saying that I said earlier that being alone, being the lone wolf and all that stuff. Well, you might have the question that I'm just starting out and I'm all alone. Now what should I do? Should I find a team as fast as possible? Make money fast? No. Look, right now you are all alone. So take that benefit. Look who you are. Okay, work on yourself, and you attract the same kind of people the way how you are. Okay, you attract what you are. So if you're good in shape, you're healthy, your mind is good, you have a positive energy, then you will attract the same kind of people. So being a lone wolf, being all that stuff, especially when you're starting out, that's a very good thing. But eventually, when you want to grow, when you have multi-million, billion-dollar businesses, you won't be down sitting and editing a video or even holding the camera, because someone else can do it, and that's how you grow. So that's what I wanted to say, and take care, and I will see you tomorrow.